Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Already in previous class we have learned about growing new plants through roots and growing new plants through stems. Let we now see about the growing new plants through leaves. How the new plants can grow through leaves. One of the best example is Bryophyllum. Yeah children, Bryophyllum is a kind of a leaf which have fleshy leaves children. These leaves grows buds along with their edges. These edges is nothing but buds. Here, these are buds, buds, buds in the edges. When a leaf drops on to the moist soil surface, each bud in the margin grows into a new plant. When these leaves is going to drop on the soil, then it is going to have the new plant. This bryophyllum consists of three parts. Those are buds, 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 shoot, 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 and runner, runner, runner. Yeah, children, did everyone understood? Bryophyllum is one of the fleshy leaf. When the leaf drops onto the soil, each bud will become into a new plant. Clear, children? Let me move on to growing new plants from spores. Some plants, such as ferns and mosses, grow with the help of small structure called spores. Here there are some small structures now. Those are considered as spores instead of seeds. Instead of seeds, these are considered as spores. These can survive in harsh weather conditions and it can develop the new plants. What is the spelling of mosses? M-O-S-S-E-S, mosses, and spores, S-P-O-R-E-S, spores. Yeah children, did everyone understood what is meant by growing new plants from spores? These are having small structures called spores instead of seeds. This will develop in only harsh weather conditions into a new plant. Let me move on to the topic of agriculture now. You generally know what is the agriculture, children. For us, we eat only food. Where that food is going to get from? Plants. To provide food in large set of population, we have to grow the healthy plants in a large scale. Such plants are growing in a large scale are called as crops. Clear children? These crops are growing with a lots of practice is called as agriculture. Did everyone understood what is agriculture means? Yeah children, here the farmer is going to have the agriculture field. Here he is trying to produce new plants with the healthy plants, healthy growth in a large scale. The food is produced in a large scale are called as crops. The practice of growing crops is nothing but agriculture. Different crops can grow in different climatic conditions, like it depends on soil, and also temperature is important. In which season which crop is able to grow, we have to see now. The farmers grow plants according to the seasons, children, such as in winter season. What is the time period of winter season? Month duration is November to April. Crops like wheat, oats, chickpea, mustard, almond, and broccoli. These are the crops which are grown in winter season, so that these are considered as rabi crops. And what are kharif crops then? Crops which are grown in summer season are considered as kharif crops, like rice, corn, soya bean, sugarcane, groundnut, and cotton. These are the crops which are grown in These are the crops which are grown in summer season. What is the time duration from the month of June to October? I hope that everyone understood the topics of growing new plants from leaves, growing new plants from spores, and also agriculture, about kharif and rabi crops. Yeah, children, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in online classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.